What's up, crypto crew? Ready to join the Pharos Testnet without breaking a sweat? First up, let's connect to the Pharos Testnet. Head to the official website and connect your wallet like MetaMask. You can easily add the network manually or through a prompt. Now let's boost that engagement. Check in daily using the platform's feature for a higher score. Plus, invite your friends with your unique referral link. It's that simple. Next, link your social media accounts, like Twitter and Discord, in your profile settings. This makes completing social tasks and verifying your engagement a breeze. Need test tokens? No problem. Request them from the faucet on the platform. If it's not working, try the alternative faucet or ask for help on the Pharos Discord server. Got your tokens? Great, now interact with the dApp. Swap tokens using the platform's DEX, add liquidity to pools and send tokens to other wallets. Get active. Lastly, complete social tasks like retweeting updates, posting about your experience, and participating in quizzes or events. Check the tasks section to track and complete them. Remember, the dashboard will show your progress. And exciting news, since May 16th, 2025, all bugs are fixed and the testnet is stable. Here's a quick look at Pharos's fundraising. They've raised $8 million so far. Dive into funding rounds, ROI, investor prices, and more. For details, check the white paper, meet the team, and review the financial overview. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and join Task Tracker for more Web3 missions.